Good morning, everyone. There's Delek. It's our breakfast. I know. More kitchen. So we are in a store called Butter. They have lots of like tiny stuff. So far, these are what I got. So with almonds and I'm not sure what else. And three of them got ice americano. Good morning, everyone. There's Delek. Welcome back to twinphosafamily. Today is our last day in Korea. I think it's our day 6. So today we won't be able to do much. We're gonna get something to eat. It's 9:20 a.m. right now. So we're gonna get something to eat right now, and then from there we're gonna go a little bit more shopping. After that, we'll probably come back to the hotel to finish up packaging because we have to leave our hotel 3 p.m. for airport. So that'll be all. So on our way there, if there's anything we see we like, we might explore it. Otherwise, that's the plan for today. And again, that's the plan. Stay tuned.
such a short. Yeah, now we're in the
가정 아주 혼이 더라. The roof 찍보지 딕 traditional door에다. 혼이 roof 통임인다.
yes, but it's parang because we didn't go, right?
Oh, you move more your door. Yeah. So today's breakfast is McDonald is our breakfast today, and oh. So let's just try out McDonald's Korea. McDonald in Korea. Okay, so we are in McDonald right now. Placed our order for breakfast. Now waiting for our breakfast to be ready. And this is morning in Korea. Their nightlife is very busy, so morning is a little bit laid back, kind of. I think, and it's weekdays, so it's almost 9:45. So most likely most of the people they're at work. It's kind of empty and kind of quiet. So our breakfast. Mine's black coffee. I just black coffee. Check the homade chini yara. It's double. Latte. Tashi got yours latte. Tashi got iced coke. And we all got the combo. So hash brown, and hash brown is very thick and big, and hot and crispy. Good, very good. And we all got breakfast. So we all have English muffin. I got non-veg. I just veg. Like all three of us are non-veg. So we are gonna enjoy the breakfast. Thank you so much. Bon appetit. Let's go.
Busy street of Toronto. Oh no, not Toronto. Busy street of Seoul. This specific. Hello. Jongro.
So we can see Namsan Tower from here, and there is some kind of protest going on. Not sure what protest. Very nice weather. Enjoying the city on our last. Oh, okay. Yeah, we want to go in this store. We're gonna try this store. Alrighty. Okay, we are in the store called Butter. So they have lots of like tiny stuff. So far, these are what I got, and we're gonna look for more. Maybe here or maybe a different store. But they do have a lot of stuff, nice stuff, nice and pretty stuff for kids. Nice miscellaneous stuff. Butter shop, custom tooling.
이쪽은 창마인데도.
닌지 먹어. Okay, so I did some more shopping for kids. It's like keychain and stuff. Husband and Mongmo, they're getting some of the cosmetic stuff. Okay, this one is like traditional souvenir store. 아니요, 따다다 그만.
I bought those keychains. I'm gonna give that to everybody,
야, 내
including the kids.
souvenir 다 가. 이거 야. दी खासा दी गट्टी चाहिए दी already they have cards in
Fridge magnet.
or maybe
Fridge magnet lemon holder, sir.
these are more like souvenir and deco stuff. Yeah, mostly souvenir, travel and souvenir. Miniature ninja. Already, we're still doing more shopping, and I got this. Okay, show like this. I got few stuff because most of the stuff in this store is earrings. So I just went for the ones that I like. And Momula and Hachi is Still shopping and paying. They have lots of earrings here. And every earring they put celebrities' picture, similar to the ones that wore. Shopping almost done. I think for me, it's I got pretty good stuff. Most of the stuff that I wanted to buy. Already, there we are. I know. The more kitchen. So, the Daiso was such a disappointing in Seoul. Anybody who sees anything they like in Daiso in different city, I would recommend get it because we like quite a few stuff, and we didn't buy because we were gonna shop here. क्यों जुदा खा जिससा? क्यों इधर घर से दी टाइगर लाए थे? Oh. Anusuka tiger. Yeah. So my recommendation is if you see anything you like, just get it. You might not come back to the same alley again. It's 12:30 right now, and we have to get back to the. We're trying to get back to the hotel by 2, so that we can finish up our packing and tidy up the place and get ready to leave. Yes, darling. Alam niyo jamo do beer.
Buy same for
Same color bani? Ito niyo jamo do. Di ba 이게 왜 jungle niyo jamo do? Ande kaya lang ito niyo jamo do. Da din niyo jamo da. Din niyo jamo do. I think so. Teddy. Color ande kusi mola din niya na kola din yun di. Color chikwa che. Kaya chikwa niyo na rda ya. Gabla chair na ito. Omula is getting cab. Oh, this is Korea Mart. They have like variety pack, honey star, BT21K, honey butter almond. But the Korean snack, not too fond of the snacks. I'm usually not too fond of sweet stuff and not too fond of the snack to buy here because we can still get it at Pat's store in Toronto. So, let's see. No, thank you. Thank you. Ale, sorry.
You're here.
Ale nga, mada ni hinsila. I thought you guys left that way.
But except for the stuff.
Yeah.
They have, beside the main road, they have like many narrow alleyway. And almost all the alleyways are very happening. They have lots of stores and lots of restaurants. So this is where we are going. See inside. Sorry. Ngayon ko lang, kapag ganyan ko. Oh. Some Legos. This is merchandise. Oh, that looks good. Okay, I think we're sitting by the window. Oh, we're sitting right here. Right. So this is on second floor. Okay, so this is our snack after a little warm day.
I'm good.
This what is it called, Tashi? What is it called?
Tsamba. Bingsu.
Bingsu, it's barley bingsu, tsamba bingsu with almonds and I'm not sure what else. And three of them got ice americano and I got grapefruit, some sort of grapefruit drink. Bon appetit.
Contains milk.
Oh, so grapefruit juice. Actually, all smooth. So this is a scoop. So this is recommended by Tashi. We are trying it for the very first time. So this is my very first scoop.
Bingsu.
Barley bingsu, tsamba bingsu. The white, that's shaved ice.
Yeah.
Shaved ice and some nuts on top.
Milk ice. Wow. Milk ice.
Milk ice.
Ice milk, milk ice.
Actually, it's good. Hosam do homa doli do. The whole bottom it tastes the hosam doli. The white part inside it tastes like milk, powder milk. It's actually a nice snack for nice warm weather like today. Yeah, cool. Cheers.
I think actually if I show you clean yourself,
No, it's okay. It's not good. I don't have any like bubble tea. Okay, you mardi bula. This one looks like Nepali aloo tarkari. How should I do it? Nepali aloo tarkari. Yeah, plain sushi roll da gimbap. It's like plain gimbap roll, aloo tarkari. Wow. Pet clothes. Cute outfits for pet. Modern and Korean traditional. So next to the elevator is our room. So basically there is one big bed, one twin bed, another big bed, kitchen and washroom. A nice big two nice big windows. And a dining table. Mini gazebo right next to our hotel. And this fermenting pot and traditional roof kind of stuff. So
And I was waiting for the last minute. I was like, I'm waiting to pack it, but I was like, this is too small.
this is where we stayed. We stayed at 8th floor. This is where we stayed, King's Garden Guest House. And goodbye. Leaving now. Okay. Old traditional houses. Ale. So we're in the subway right now, getting a snack. So we're on our way to Seoul subway station. From there, we'll take a train to Incheon to the airport. Alrighty. See, what are we getting? Getting pang. So, find snack. From here, we're going to train. Taking train to the airport, and it's 3:35. We actually plan to leave at 3:35 p.m. right now. Our flight is at 7:40, I think. So, and we still have to eat lunch. We did we finished our packing at the hotel, and we cleaned up all the rooms and everything. The place a bit, and then on our way. Stay tuned.
Incheon Airport train route A01 that you
근데 보면 무엇이 뭐도 굉장히 가니 Bowden Kathmandu. Oh, I've been to Nepal. Nga Dharamsala ni. Nga belu game shiwai.
Okay, now we are at Seoul station, but connecting to express train to Incheon International Airport. Seoul station, connecting to International Airport, and it's an express train. We have to travel an hour and something. Then this will take us straight to the airport. It's nice. And our plan is here. Ajla. And this is our last moment in Seoul. 안녕하세요. See you until next time. Seoul. So we just got up at the station. Now we're at the airport. I think it's Terminal 1.